Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We talking about SPRIZZY. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today I was gonna make another screen recording video about SPRIZZY, basically just showing, you know, me performing another ad campaign. But I watched this video this morning, SPRIZZY is a scam with proof. It inspired me to make this video right here. Now, on this video, SPRIZZY is a scam. Basically, the dude was saying SPRIZZY is a scam because they charge more, and you could run the same ad on Google advertisement and get way more views. So I wrote a comment because I believe in SPRIZZY. You know, I wrote it isn't a scam. You know, they do use Google ads. You know, the minimum is 30. I think he said the minimum was like 50, but the minimum is 30. And you know, I've used SPRIZZY ads for myself, and I've seen in the analytics it comes back through YouTube advertising. But on this video, I want to go over, do SPRIZZY pay more, or do SPRIZZY charge more for less views? Now, on this video, we about to, you know, run two campaigns. We're about to set up two campaigns, one for SPRIZZY, and we're gonna set up one for YouTube advertising, Google ads platform. Now we're gonna see, we're doing this test to see if when we get to the budget part, do we get more views from going through Google ads directly, or do we get more views from using SPRIZZY's platform? Now on this video, I'm gonna show you, you basically gonna see how easy it is for me to set up a SPRIZZY campaign and the difference when setting up a YouTube ads campaign directly. So we about to hop straight into that. So for this video, the test video we're gonna be using is how to earn over $20,000 on Max Bounty CPA network using video ads. So with SPRIZZY, all you gotta do is go to promote new video, select your channel or add your channel, and then search for the video, or you can add the video URL. Now next, we see we have all of these different categories right here. We have YouTube search, YouTube related, or you can run an ad as a commercial. So we're gonna do a YouTube search campaign, and then we go down and we say the main goal is to get subscribers. So we go to targeting, right? And then the countries, we could just select United States for this. We're just gonna select United States. And you see the tags we got right here. These are some good tags: Max Bounty tutorial, how to make money online, earn money online. And then we go to the budget. Now the budget right here, we're gonna enter in 30, right? So for $30, right, we would get between 750 and 1333 views, right? So that's SPRIZZY. And y'all saw how easy the campaign is set. All I would have to do is save and pay. Basically save and continue and pay, and from there it would begin to run, you know, the campaign. Now with YouTube advertising, how I would set up this campaign on YouTube advertising, you go into new campaign, right? You click on, you log on to your Google ads account, and then you click on new campaign. It's a plus symbol. Now for this campaign, we're gonna create a campaign without a goals guidance. Now next, we're gonna select the campaign type, and the campaign type is a video. Now we're gonna do a custom video campaign because we want what's called YouTube search or discovery ads. So we go to a custom video campaign, right? Just leave that selected, then you press continue. Right now we're gonna say SPRIZZY versus Google test. That's the campaign name of this. Now with Google, you have to make sure everything is correct as far as your budgets and campaign totals, because Google will spend exactly what you tell it to. So if you say your campaign total is 30, that's all it's gonna spend. But if you say the daily amount is 30, then it will spend. So, you know, with Google, you have way more customization. I would say you can customize, your ad campaign way more than through Sprizzy. Now, we got the campaign total. We're gonna set the campaign total for $30. We're just gonna set $30, right? Just like we did on Sprizzy. And networks, YouTube search, YouTube videos, all languages, United States, everything pretty much set up already. Inventory, we're gonna go to expanded inventory, getting every video. End date, we gotta select the end date. Let's just say 1 day. We're gonna run that for 1 day. All right, so let's keep going down. Get our demographics right. We're just gonna leave it just like the same thing we got on Sprizzy. Audience, it's a broad audience. Keywords, we're gonna enter some keywords right here. Max bounty training, max bounty tutorial. What else? CPA marketing, because y'all saw the video we was using. It's about CPA marketing. So topics, let's just go to business, computers, finance, internet, and jobs. We're gonna select those 5. Cost per view, we're gonna set that to 5 cents. Right? And then we're gonna search for the video, how to earn over 20K on max bounty. Will it pop up? Gonna get the shareable link. Then we're gonna go back to the campaign and add that in right there. Now here we're gonna select a video discovery ad, right? And we see, before I do anything, if you look to the right, we're gonna get between 500 views and 1.6 thousand, right? That's how much views we gonna get. Now if we go back to Sprizzy, we get in between 750 views and 1,300 for the same campaign budget. So, for this question, everybody's saying, is Sprizzy a scam? And I wrote dude. I actually wrote him, and he wrote me back, and he said, okay, why do they charge more than Google when they do the same thing? The main difference with Sprizzy is that it's easier to use. It's easier to use. They already group everything in a, you can see it right there, targeting. You can see it right here, goals. Like, it's just, what do you want to do? It's real simple, real to the point. And when we go into YouTube, Google ads, you see how it gets extensive. So it really depends on the person. Sprizzy is not a scam. I don't want people to be out there thinking that Sprizzy is like this scam service. No, it's not. It's just a third-party service using Google ads. Like, when you sign up on Sprizzy, they actually connect their Google ads account to your YouTube account. So you see it, like, you see everything. You see their Google ad number, everything. So, the main difference between Sprizzy and YouTube ads or Google ads, as you can see right here, it's just the interface. It's just, what interface do you like? Do you want to get more extensive and go into dial in on a direct actual, target niche? Or you could do the same exact thing right here. Like, you could put as many keywords as possible. The more descriptive, the better. They want descriptive keywords too, because all they're doing is going in here and setting up an ad group, and they're adding the keywords right here. All they doing is copying all of these keywords and they entering them in right here. So you know, it's all about your keyword research. I believe if you use Google Keyword Planner when you're running your Sprizzy ad campaign, you will get the same exact results as you do with Google Ads. As you can see, you know, you may get, you know, a couple hundred more views, but you know, it all depends on what's good for you. But for the whole Sprizzy is a scam thing, Sprizzy is not a scam. I hope this video debunked that for y'all. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out.